Hi everyone, it's great to see you. I am home and I have a box that's been waiting for me. So I made a video last week about the two types of jasmine I had planted. And thank you to Linda, one of the subscribers here, who said she knew that the Sooner Plant Farm had the Madison jasmine that I was looking for. So thank you so much, Linda. This order is because of you. And this is going to be the hardy jasmine that I couldn't find around here. That's called a Madison jasmine, and it is hardy to zone 7-ish, which is right where we are. And I was so thrilled when Linda put in her comments that I should give them a try. Oh, and look at how great this is. Yay! Okay, they really pack it well though. I almost have it. Hold it. I'm going to tear part of the box. There we go. Oh, it comes with a Plant Farm catalog. And for all you plant lovers out there, you know how we love our catalogs. Look at this great looking plant. I am so happy. Yes, Madison Star Hardy Jasmine. And this is a couple gallon pot here, it looks like, or a large 1 gallon. This looks really, really healthy. So it has those nice shiny leaves that are kind of oval and smooth. And now I get to plant this one out with the other star jasmine. It is going to be fabulous. I really think that this is the kind I was looking for. So thank you to Sooner Plant Farms. Great job shipping this out. Thank you to Linda for watching, and to all of you, because your comments help me so much. I get great ideas from you, and when I'm really lucky, I am pointed in the direction of a new plant, which is always fun. So I now have my Madison Star Jasmine planted in here too. I am so excited about this because this is the hardy one that probably is going to survive. Hope you survive too, but it might not. Now, you're going to notice when I planted this, there's sort of a little hill underneath, and that's because, see all this gravel here? Way back by the fence, when you get there, that's like the soil that's there. So I did the best I could taking it out, but I decided to raise it up and plant it a little higher so it had some more space for root growth. I added some potting mix on top, tamped it down really well, and just put it in. It should be fine. So we shall see how our experiment continues going with all of these star jasmine. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.